Okay, now let us do question number 7. What should be subtracted from a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 to obtain a square minus 2a plus 1? So here in this question we have to find an expression, okay, such that if you subtract that expression from this expression, we will get this expression, okay. So we have to find that expression. So in this type of question, what we do is we will subtract the second expression from the first expression, okay. In the last question, this one, right, what should be added? So here it was added. So here in this case what we have done is we have subtracted first expression from the second expression, but here in this case we have to subtract second expression from the first expression, okay, because here you have what you have to find, what should be subtracted. So that you have to understand, okay. If it is subtracted, you subtract second expression from the first expression. So as I have already said, from, so that means you have to write this expression first. So a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 minus then the second expression, okay, a square minus 2a plus 1. Now let us solve this. A cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6, then minus plus is minus, a square minus minus plus 2a, and then minus plus is minus 1. So now let us search for a cube. Is there any other a cube? No, we don't have. So this is the only a cube. So I'll just write it as a cube. Next for a square. Yeah, here we have 1a square, right? So here we have minus 4 and here we have no number, means we have 1. So minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5, because minus minus will be plus, so minus 5a square. Next let us search for a. Here we have a. So 5 plus 2 is 7, so it will be 7a. Next the only number minus 6 and minus 1. Minus minus plus, but the sign will be minus. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that means this is the required expression which we have to subtract, okay, from this expression to obtain this. Okay, so now let us do question number 8. If a equal to 3x square minus 7x minus 8, b equal x square plus 8x minus 3, and then c equal minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2, then find question number Roman number 1, a plus b minus c. Okay, so this is very simple. Just you have to put the values, okay. In place of a you have to put this, in place of b we have to put this, and in place of c we'll put this, and we'll get the answer, okay. So let us put the values. So first we have a, right? So we'll put the value of a, that is 3x square minus 7x minus 8. Next we have plus b, so put a plus and then write the value of b, that is x square plus 8x minus 3. Next we have minus c, so put a minus, and whenever there is a minus sign, and if you are writing any other term, then put a bracket, okay. So and this is minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2. So now let us solve this. So we'll remove the bracket part, okay. This one will write as it is, 3x square minus 7x minus 8 plus x square plus 8x minus 3, then minus minus will become plus 5x square, minus minus again plus 3x, minus plus is minus 2. So now let us solve, okay. For the like terms, let us solve it first. So here we have x square. Is any other x square? Yeah, here we have, and then here, okay. So the first one is 3x square, so 3 plus x square, here no number means we have 1, right? So 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 4 plus 5 is 9, so we'll get 9x square. Now let us search for x. We have minus 7x, here we have 1, and here we have 1, right? So minus 7 plus 8 will be, minus plus is minus, but here plus sign is greater, plus 8, so it will be 1, okay, plus 1. So 1 plus 3 will be 4, so we'll write plus 4x. And now what is left? The numbers, right? Minus 8, minus 3 and minus 2. So minus minus will become plus, so 8 plus 3 is 11, but the sign will be minus, right? That means minus 11, and then minus 11 minus 2, again minus minus will become plus, but the sign will be minus. So 11 plus 2 is 13. So this will be the answer. Okay. Okay, now we'll do for Roman number 4. Okay, a minus b minus c. So here also we have to put the same values of a, b and c, just they have changed the sign. Okay, minus b and minus c, similar to this only. So the value of a is 3x square minus 7x minus 8. Then we have minus b, so write minus, and whenever there is a minus you put a bracket. So b, and what is the value of b? X square plus 8x minus 3. Again you have minus, write minus and put a bracket again. Okay, and then we'll write the value of c. C is minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2. So now let us remove the bracket part. So this one will write as it is, 3x square minus 7x minus 8. This minus plus is minus x square, minus plus minus 8x, and then minus minus is plus 3. Again here minus minus is plus 5x square, minus minus again plus 3x, and then minus plus is minus 2. So now let us solve. We for the like terms, here we have x square. Is there any other x square? Here we have, then here. So 3 minus 1 is, here no number means 1, 3 minus 1 2, right? And then 2 plus 5 is 7, so we'll get 7x square. Now let us find x. Okay, so minus 7 minus 8 will be minus minus plus, right? So 7 plus 8 will be 15, but sign will be minus only because both are negative. So minus 15 plus 3, minus plus is minus, and 15 minus 3 will be 12, right? But here minus sign is greater, so minus 12x. Okay, next minus 8 plus 3. So minus plus is minus, here 8 is greater, right, and minus is there, so it will be, the answer will be in minus. Okay, so it will be minus 5, and then minus 5 minus 2. So minus minus will be plus, but the sign will be minus. 5 plus 2 is 7. So this will be the answer.